Welcome back.
Sumimasen. Biru. One.
Yes.
Super play this.
Don't ask me why, but she's learning Japanese in the car. We're on our way back from Seoul and we're heading back in the car. We're driving, and if you saw my short, which I posted, I think when this comes out, it'll be like 2 weeks ago, I talked about how different parts of Korea are famous for different things. We stopped at a service station which was famous for ginseng, but this time we're going back down and we found that there's a service station that's famous for walnuts because the area is famous for walnuts. So we thought we'd just stop there and just see what's going on, try some walnut flavored things.
This highway used to be a runway strip, an airstrip.
That's why it's so straight.
Yeah.
In Korea, these signs always tell you the next service station and the distance to the one after it. Probably should have started saying that a bit sooner. But we're pulling up into the service station now, and it started raining. We weren't expecting some rain. Here's another sign, maybe we can see. It shows the current one, the closest one here, and then underneath it shows the next one, and it shows electric, gas and food. On the sign here it says, so Cheonan is the area, and it even says Hodu, which is walnut, so this place is literally called Cheonan Walnut Service Station, so we'll see. There's an electric car charging over there. This many people to be traveling during the week, since it's a Tuesday at like 3 or 4 p.m. First I need to go to the toilet though, so I'm not going to record that. They've got some interesting things here. They've got walnut chicken, regular walnut snacks, and just other fried chicken too, so pretty cool. That's how the walnut snacks are made. A robot that makes fried chicken. So that's pretty cool. It's got some buttons here. I don't know if it's actually doing anything right now, but I guess it makes fried chicken. It's got little baskets in the back too. Cool. Classic just service station foods. Coffee shops. This is on the nicer side of things. All of your staying awake needs.
So do they have that energy drink that I want to try? This. Should I try it? I don't know what it is. But I don't really need energy right now, but I still want to try it. Korea, these weird traditional drinks are way better than like the Red Bulls and stuff.
It's like the OG Red Bull from Thailand.
Try this. That's cute.
Condition.
Should
Because
try
you've got a
this?
hangover.
4,000. Bougie.
Yeah. Premium walnut cookies. $12. Sorry, no. 아니요. I accidentally scrunched the bag, but it's got a little walnut face on it. This is 2001 for 8 pieces, so that's like $2. So we'll have a look at these in the car and we'll taste them, see if they're any good.
Give me.
What would you do first? Chicken first?
I want this.
Oh, he just puts it on one side, but it's both fried chicken. It tastes like service station chicken, which has been like
Good.
left out a little bit, but
there's something about that that's just like so good.
it's the mouthfeel. Try it without the sauce.
I think it's like robot cooked chicken or something. I think plain one's the best.
I still can't really taste any walnut. How much was this? This was $5.
This is $8.
That was the $8 one.
Mm-hmm.
Cultured Korean wild ginseng. Close up. This isn't alcoholic, is it?
Ooh. Smells like
That's
gin and tonic.
sweet. Why are these always so sweet? It's nice.
I think that's why it's an energy though. It's just sugar. This is okay. It's just sugar water.
It tastes like bokkery sweat. I always find these like really hit and miss.
Yeah, sometimes they're really good and sometimes they're not that good. Okay. They don't put the walnut's not big enough, right?
So it's shaped like little walnuts. There's even a bit of the walnut sticking out there.
I think they just try and thin out all the ingredients too much. You can tell.
Yeah, it's just this one's a lot of red bean paste and not a lot of.
But even the red
walnut.
bean paste has been fluffed and like diluted with something. You can see. And the walnut's literally like a fifth of a walnut.
We need to find somewhere that does like gourmet.
Amazing walnut. Yeah, this can be incredible if it's good.
Don't get me wrong, it's still tasty. It's just I've had better.
It can be way better.
Yeah.
Good snack though.
That guy over there is selling wares out the back of his minivan. So he must have just sort of just came here early, got a good spot, and he's just selling stuff now. Sister's getting gas. Overall, I kind of expected more from that service station. We went to one that was ginseng themed, and there was like a giant ginseng statue. There was a giant ginseng shop just selling ginseng stuff. You can check that video up wherever it pops up, but I'll link it.
Doing it for me.
But yeah, I was really expecting more from that, and I was expecting a bit better food too. So I give that like a 2 or 3, 2.5 out of 5. We'll get my sister's opinion in a second as well once she's done getting gas. These seatbelt signs that they always have. It just says seatbelt on top. Out of 5, what was your opinion on that whole experience?
Chicken? 4.
No, like overall.
Oh. 4 because of the chicken.
Out of 5.
3.5. Yeah.
Not just the food though, but the whole supposed to be walnut themed thing.
They didn't have a giant walnut, so.
Yeah. That brought it down. Yeah, I gave it 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. 2.5.
Chicken was good though.
It's okay. Wouldn't recommend. It's not worth the entire trip. Not that we did come here just for that. But not worth